There's always been a question lurking in the mind of anyone test riding a Royal Enfield for city use. Is this too heavy for my daily grind? With the launch of the J Series Classic 350, that question hasn't disappeared. It's just evolved. Now, the debate isn't just about weight, it's about how the Classic 350 torque interacts with that weight, and whether the new gen powertrain makes urban riding a breeze or a burden. First, let's talk numbers. The new Classic 350 makes about 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 newton meters of torque. Peak torque arrives early at 4000 rpm, which means the bike doesn't need to be revved high to get moving. But then there's the other side of the spec sheet: 195 kilograms of curb weight. That's hefty. And when you're staring at a red light with 2 dozen scooters ready to bolt, the physics does cross your mind. So, is it quick enough in the city? Surprisingly, yes, but not in the way you think. The Classic 350 isn't quick in the traditional sense. It doesn't dart off the line or cut through traffic like a nimble commuter. But it does something better: it flows. That low end torque makes it easy to glide through traffic without constant gear changes. Roll off the throttle, roll back on, and the engine just picks up where it left off. No drama, no lag. If you are used to light, rev happy bikes, it'll feel slow. But if you ride it on its terms, short shifts, steady throttle, calm lane changes, the Classic starts to feel just right for city traffic. Torque and gearing, a perfect pairing. The J Series powertrain has brought in better refinement, a smoother gearbox, and more usable torque delivery. You'll often find yourself staying in third gear through slow moving intersections, relying on the torque to carry you forward. That's the Classic's secret. It doesn't need to be fast, it needs to be effortless, and it is. So, even though the Classic 350 bhp figure doesn't scream performance, the way that power is delivered makes all the difference. But let's be honest about the weight. The Classic 350 weight is always going to be a factor. If you're crawling through dense traffic, doing multiple U turns, or trying to squeeze into a tight parking spot, it will feel like a heavy motorcycle. And if you're on the shorter side or not confident with slow speed balance, there's a learning curve. That said, the weight also brings composure. It doesn't bounce over potholes. It doesn't twitch when a truck passes. In chaotic city traffic, the Classic feels planted, and that inspires a different kind of confidence. So, what's the verdict? If your idea of a city bike is something light, zippy, and ready to play dodgeball with rickshaws, the Classic 350 isn't that. But if you want a machine that's smooth, torquey, and forgiving, one that lets you cruise through the chaos instead of wrestle with it, then yes, the J Series Classic 350 is absolutely quick enough for the city. It's not about acceleration times, it's about how little effort it takes to get where you're going. And on that front, the Classic delivers every single day.